today we are going to show our audience about our cap factory. Oh, remember to check our previous video about our live streaming. This about the recording, and by just click our website, and it's www.sourcingunited.com. And for those audience doesn't familiar with us, welcome to James to give our audience a brief introduction about our factory and
Yes.
our company, right?
Yes, thanks for Peter's introduction. Actually, today's live streaming has been divided into two parts. Firstly, I will show you some samples. Then I will go to our factory to show you the production process. So let me first to introduce our company to you. Our company was founded in 2020, 2012, and we have our customer service are located in New York. In China, we have 5 purchasing offices located in 5 metropolitan cities like Shanghai, Zhejiang, Fujian, Guangdong, and Jiangsu, covering almost 80% area of China, so that we can connect with almost thousands of factories very easily and get their newest products every month. During almost 10 years, we have cooperated with almost 10,000 audited factories, and so that we can offer you a wide range of products with customized solutions. So first, let us show you some samples of our Drinkware factory. So let's
Thank you,
go.
James.
Yes, on the tables you can see a lot of samples already. Actually, our factories is famous for producing all kinds of caps, water bottles, travel mugs, tumblers, wine bottles, and so on. And we can make a wide variety of materials like stainless steel, 304 and 201, plastic, ceramic, rubber, and many other kinds of materials. So let's show you some samples first.
So the first sample is
so the first sample is
double
this
wall bell cup vacuum insulation caps.
Yes, and the volume of this cap is 6 ounce, and it's used stretching, so you can see the cap is very long, and it has the cap body can accept customized design like painting, plastic spraying, laser logo, heat transfer, sublimation transfer. You can feel free to send us your logo design, and we can print the logo based on your requirements. And we can also custom the bottom of this cap. It's a vacuum cap, so it can keep your water hot and or it ice, and it's very easy to hold this cap. The inside material is 304 in food grade, while the outside material is 201. It has a AS lid and a silicone real ring. The next product is about this 10 ounce water mugs. It's still inside 304 stainless steel, and the outside is 201 material, and it has AS plastic lid, and the body of the cup can accept custom design, which means you can print your logo on this cap. And our MOQ is generally 1,000 pieces with logo printing.
Yes, and another one is seamless water slide deco paper logo tumblers right here. As you can see, the normally water slide is we will have um, the line of the edge of the line at the edge of the caps, like here. But the our technique can like remove that line of the water slide. So it's kind of our new technique
Mhm.
that can like involve the line of the water slide. And I really like this paint. So how many MOQ of this? James?
Yes, 1,000 pieces. I
Yes,
think.
for it's 1,000 pieces, and it has AS lip uh, on the bottle, and we can customize the color of the bottom. Yes, and the next one is the replaceable cork bottom base. This for this bottle, like you can see the lip of the bottle is black, so we can customize the lip of the bottle. We can do blue, we can do like black, we can do
Mhm.
red. It depends on our client's demand, and like some of our clients want to do like the same color with the body, and for this one, I think the black and white can like match very well. And um for the card over here, it's really useful. Like when you stay in the library and you
Mhm.
want to drink some water, it's not like the previous one. You was hear a lot of sound. You are not going to hear like any sound when we just put this tumbler on the table. It's very like silent. And for the next one is also
Yeah, this one also has a cork bottom, and the material for this one, it has three materials: the P as PP lead, stainless steel body, and this cork bottom. And I really like this design since it just as Peter said, it has this kind of uh, cork bottom. It's very soft and it will not cause any sound to to the serve bottom to the table when you press it when you put it on the table. So and the volume of this bottle is around 10 12 ounces, and you can and this bottle can also has a very good insulation. It can keep your water hot and or ice.
yes. For the leap, we will do different materials of the switch and the leap itself, because when we do the same materials, the cap will like it's really hard to switch. So when we do different materials, it is very easy to like slide. The next one is
Yeah, this is the another type of bottle. It's much longer than the others. It has 16 ounces. The inside and outside material is 304 and 201 respectively. And the bottom is very different. And it's also made by the, it's not made by the cork. It's just a painting on it. So it can has the effect of that cork. And
so as we can see here, we have the connection at the bottom of this bottle. That means this bottle is water swallowing. And for the water swallowing, it is cheaper than the
Stapling,
yeah,
yes.
stamping. Yeah.
Yeah, and we will show you how what's the water swelling and stapling in our production line.
Yes, when we finish our sample room, we will take our audience to our factory, to
Mhm.
our workshop to see how we do this kind of tumblers, cups, mugs. So the next one is I really like this texture.
Yes. What's the printing skills of this one?
We use water transfer for
Yes,
this one.
it feels like it's made by wood.
Yes,
Mm.
how I feel, how I saw,
Yeah.
it's really like the wood, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So but the inside and inside is stainless and outside is also stainless. And the inside is 304 and outside is 201. That's impressive, right, James?
Yes.
I really like the painting skill.
Yes. So can we do customizations on this bottle?
Yes, as you can see, we can customize the color of the leaf, and then we also like the material and the bottom, the leaf. We also like the body. We can totally customize, and
Yeah.
also we can customize. We if you don't want to do the wood, you can like customize into
Yeah,
like
I guess
yes.
the lid can be changed into bamboo material, and
Mm-hmm.
I know this is very popular material since it's very eco-friendly.
Yes, recently we are like very the eco-friendly like the bamboo or the RPT materials is very really like popular in recently. So I think it's a good idea to change the lip or uh, the body of the cap into bamboo or other eco-friendly materials. It's helpful to our circumstance.
Yes. Hmm. So the next water is this kind of tumblers,
Mhm.
and you can see, and this I think is made by stapling technique, right?
Yes.
And it because it I can not see the lid. I cannot see the bottom, the gap of the bottom,
Mhm.
and this is very popular in many countries like America. We sell a lot of this bottom to America. Yes.
So for the design of
Mm.
this cap, I really, it's really helpful for like for the girls don't have like them that big hand they can
Mm.
hold here, and it's really hard to fall down.
Mm-hmm.
So and we can customize the bottom of the caps. For this cap, for this bottom, we like we draw the uh, capability capacity, and we also can do our customized logo, customers logo, and for the texture of the outside outside we can do mirror, and also we can do matte.
Mm-hmm.
Depends on our client's demand.
Yes. So for our next product, this is very similar to the last one. Yeah.
Yes,
And it has two
we
different colors,
yes.
red and
Mhm.
deep red. Mhm.
Yes. For this cup, we like compare with the James holding the cup that James holding, because you it's really similar, but for the technique it's really different, because
Oh,
James hold the cup that James holding is stretching.
yes,
We use stretching
yes.
technique, and my this bottle that in my hand is we use the water swelling.
Mhm.
Yes, so um, for for the capacity, it's all the 20 ounces, and um, inside outside also outside is 304 and inside is 201, and uh, actually this is more expensive because we will add more like
Yeah, details.
details on this bottle, and we will like pay more times on this bottle. But
Yes.
I just recommend this the bottle that James hold, because um, we use stretching. That stretching means we will do like the raw material is round raw materials like into a bottle. It will like do not have seam at the
Yes.
at the a
And
at the edge.
yeah, and this material is very strong. Even you drop it this bottle
Mhm.
to the ground by accident, it will has do no damage to the bottle body.
And
Yeah.
for the paint, we will like once we finish our paint to our clients want, or like a lot of our clients want to do the test to see if the paint is really easily to scratch out. So it's not like it's don't do you guys don't now like worry about the paint if the paint will come off very easily.
Yes.
Yes.
So for the next product is this wine shape
Yes.
bottle. It also is very, the volume of this bottle is quite large. It can contains almost 25 ounces. Yeah, and the selling point of this one, it has a really good insulation ability. And it can keep your the water hot for almost 12 hours. And yeah, it's made by this PP lead and the stainless steel material. And this, there is a. Let me open. Let me open this one, so you can see this cap. There is a very good silicone ring attached on it. So, and that's explain why it has so much very good insulation ability.
And also I really like, and also I really like the shape of this bottle.
Yes.
It looks like a wine bottle, right?
Yeah, and this yeah, for the painting on it, we can do many customizations for the like the colors, materials of the cap, and you can even put on your logo at the bottom or on the body of the this bottle. And the logo printing, we use the logo printing on this bottle can pass the dishwasher machine, so it's very stable. Don't worry about your company's name will fade away. Oh. Yeah, just a kind of reminder that for today's for the audience who watch our today's live streaming, you will get a coupon worth 12% for the products we present today. And also, if you purchase more than a certain amount, you will get another coupon which worth $12,000. Yeah, so just login on our official website, leave your email and the phone, and you will get this two coupon very easily, and only valid for this valid for today. Yeah, our live streaming.
Yes. So let's begin our sample.
Yeah, let's continue our to introduce our sample, and I really like this one because yeah, this is the shape, the diamond shape on the body of the bottom, and this is 22 ounce bottom. And actually, we have our design team to make this kind of 3D model shape based on your requirements. And when I touch this bottle, I can feel the diamond shape on it. So it's a very elegant one, and the material of the lid is also made by ABS. We can also change the material of the lid based on your requirements, like bamboo and RPT and other kinds of material that is eco-friendly or recyclable. So yeah, that is, and you can just look inside of this uh, bottle, and you can see it's very shining and clean. Yeah, even when you pour water inside, when you pour out it, there will be no water attached on the surface inside.
And also we have another similar one,
Yeah,
which is like little bit smaller, but the design is the same. And also for the technique, the previous one, which is the bigger one, is using the water swirling, and for the this one that I hold right now is stretching, which is like one step to the body to the cap bodies. And also, like James said, we have our own professional our work team that can come out with a lot of designs like from time to time. And also we made our own category, like our catalog, just for our new designs cap. And you just need to click our official website and contact with us. Our customer service will send a catalog for you. Just asking, we will send to you.
Mhm. Yes, and we have another one that this long water bottle show you is made by water welling because you can see the seam under it. Yeah, and the lid is made by this stainless steel. You can when you open it, you can see also there is it's also a insulated water bottle because you can see this silicone ring on the attached on the cap. And I really like this design because it's elegant outside shape. Um,
And it is very like convenient to take outside when
mhm.
we like traveling. We need hot water. We just put a hot water at the first beginning, and when we want to use it to like for the food or for the metal, we can
Mm.
we can use it. Very
Yes.
convenient, very
Yes.
handy.
Yeah, and we have a lot of colors available.
Yes.
You can choose your favorite one, and MOQ for this one is also 1,000 pieces, and this one is has a very slim body and very easy for carrying for girls, and
For the cap, what is the capacity of this bottle?
yes, it's around 70 ounce. Yeah, so it's quite large,
Yes.
and yeah, the perfect, very good insulation capability, as I just mentioned before.
Yes. For the size, we have another size of
Yes,
this bottle. Yes. Very same. The design is totally same, and also we use the water swirling of these two bottles. That me and James will show how the difference between the water swirling uh, and the stretching, which is
yeah.
tamping.
Mhm.
Yes. So here comes our next. This one
It's like a
is not.
lunch
Yeah.
box.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
for baby.
not bottle.
Yeah,
It's for food.
yeah.
For
You
food
food
is
or your
water.
breakfast like porridge,
Hmm.
soap, and so on.
Yes. And also when you open the like the lead, um, we can customize. Usually we will customize the lead as the same color and the same spray method with the body of it. And
Yeah,
when we open it, we will see
spoon.
a spoon.
Yes, with laser logo print
Yes.
engraving on
And
it.
yes, and also it is stainless. It's 304 stainless, and it's all our raw materials can pass the test. And also we can see there is um, pressure releaser right here. When we like when we the pressure is different from outside. It's really hard to open it. We can just use this bottom like press it, and it's the air will come out very quick, so that we can open it very easily.
Yes, and you can see there's also a ladder on the bottom, so it will not cause any sound when you place this box on the table. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, and we different for different ages, like 7 to 8 and 3 to 4 years old.
Yes.
Just choose the best one for your children.
Mhm.
Yeah, and this lunchbox is made by plastic material. Yeah, it's also a lunchbox, which is also very popular nowadays. Since it's back to school days, most kids will come go back to school, and their parents always take their lunch, help to put their lunch in their bags. So and it will has this very convenient handle that means you can carry it to anywhere very conveniently.
And it's specialized for design for the kids because the size you see it's suitable for the kids, and I really like the color, so we can totally customize the color regions.
Yes, and it has a very good installation ability. And even you put your food in the morning at 8 o'clock, it is still remains hot until the evening. Yes, which means it can keep the installation can range from around 12 hours.
Yes, and for this tray, we have plastic outside of here that we are not like just prevent stainless. We also can do plastic, and we have our own model, like open modeling workshop, which can cost a lot of money because installation, like the installation molding machines is very expensive. And we have 25 in our warehouse, and we for the first we will do the mold by ourselves, and we will use that machine to do the plastic part of the not only the kettle, but also the tumbler and the caps.
Yes, and what's the ammo code for this one is also 1,000 pieces, and with your color and the logo on it.
Yes, and here comes our last one. It's a vacuum insulated bottle. For the designs, it's really easy to carry outside.
Yes, it has this handle.
Yes. No matter if you go to the camping or you go to the gym to exercise yourself, or if you want for the vacuum installation, it's not only for the hot water, it's also for the cold waters. We there is very hot outside. If we want to drink some cold water in the summer days, it's really helpful for us, right?
Yes. Yes, and that's all about our products in sample room. And there's around 2 minutes left before we go to our production line into our real factory. So you can, during these 2 minutes, you can just take a look. Yes. Oh, I just forgot the last one. Is that our super big box with the set of this gift set? Yes, it has 3 drinkware inside in this wine bottle and 2 egg-shaped tumblers. You can take a closer at it, and we can we can also do the packing design. No matter you want a white box or color box, we can help you to make it with your own company's name on it.
By the way, the Christmas, Halloween, and Black Friday is coming very soon. So we recommend our clients to order this kind of
because we have a big discount for this set.
So it's really good to just give to our friend, to our family. Yes. So I just recommend this set.
Yes, exactly.
Yes. And so let's show our
sample room
to our
sample room.
Yes, show our sample room to our audience. Actually, our sample room is very beautiful. Right?
Yes, it's in a Chinese style.
We have different kind of not only the stainless, we can also provide the plastic.
mugs, tumblers. We also export. That's the most popular products we export every year. So just take a look at our products, and then we will go to our factory to see the production line.
Actually, our workshop is very big, right, James?
Yes, we have several workshops, and I will show you guys later. They are focusing on different works.
That's what we talk about. It's plastic. For the plastic, we can do PP, AS, PVC, and a lot of different kind of.
And it's in food grade, right?
Yes, all food grade. So let's show our audience our factory, our workshop.
So let me introduce our Drinkware factory to you first. Actually, our factory is located in Zhejiang, Yongkang. It's a place where most of Drinkware factory gathers. And so at present, our factory has around 5,000 square meters, with more than 500 employees and 200 advanced machines. And we have several workshops like injection molding, screen printing, metal working, vacuum packing, and we have 4 warehouses. And these warehouses is used to store our semi-finished products and finished products and have RTS products. Yes, because we have a lot of products that have stock, and the delivery time for these stock products is around 15 to 20 days.
And also our factory circumstance is very nice, right? Let's take a look out.
Yeah.
Like the hails to our audience. That's so beautiful. And also we have our own lab which can test a lot of raw materials, the production products to, by our own, right? And here is our warehouse. It's
just
58,000 square meters.
Just take a look at our warehouse. Is quite large. And later we will show you how to make plastic bottles and stainless bottles, which are the 2 most popular products our factories are good at.
Yes. First, we will show our audience about the plastic part, and then we will show our audience about our stainless, which is actually stainless is our adva-
Yeah, we are most good are the products we are most good at.
So here
Here
comes
comes
our
our
story or ever about
yes,
the raw
raw
materials.
materials about the plastic. You can see our plastic raw materials are food grade and can pass FDA CA65 and LFGB and many certifications.
Yeah,
And
that means our
yeah,
raw materials is food grade, and it's because when we drink the water, our mouth and tongues is it's close to the cap, so we have to pass the test, right?
yes, yes, and this is the machine for injection molding. As you can see, you just need to pour the raw materials, I mean the plastic particles inside, and it will produce a plastic cup automatically. Yes, you can
And
see.
we have 25 these kind of
Yeah, you can see.
machines right here.
You can see this handle is pulling out a cap to onto this track automatically.
Yes.
And
So in this workshop, we can produce like 100,000 pieces
per day,
per
yeah,
day.
because we can produce like this cup for 20 seconds. Yeah,
Yeah,
and
it's not only for the total plastic caps. It's also for like we showed just now. It's for the lid on the stainless caps and other like plastic plastic part of the caps.
yeah, and you can see most of our work are done by the machines, and this is a trend nowadays because machines can improve the working efficiency and save a lot of labor force.
Yes.
Yeah.
James, what is the rules for? Like, it is for. I guess it's for the stamping, right?
It's the material used for stamping machine, and we have 304 and 201 the different materials. And as you can see, the machines on my right hand, they are cutting the plate into many small round shapes, and that's the round plate will be sent to the stamping machine, and those stamping machine will make the round shape into the cup shape. So just to take a look at our how we do the stamping. Yes, we put the round circle on the machine at the beginning, then it will, after compression, it will becomes cup shape.
So James, I have a question. Why we just do one step and it come to it's ready for other part? Why we like separate the part?
Yes, we always stretch the cup little by little because if we stretch the cup at one time, it will get cracked very easily. So it's very dangerous.
Yes. As you can see right here, our workflow is fully automatic.
Yes. Okay.
That means our capability is better than others because we are fully automatic. And once we finish the, the stretching, well, our cap sand.
Yes, they will be sent to do the washing and the drying to remove the dirt and some mineral flaws on the surface of the cup.
And also, we are, as I say just now, we are not only just use the stretching, which is the stamping. We also use water swirling, right?
Yes, and this is the raw material. You can see many stainless steel tube, and this tube is for the water swirling method. water swelling method, as the name says, it is use the pressure of the water to get the tube deform into the shape of the cup.
Yes, once our raw materials arrive, we will first cut into small, like short pieces, right?
Yeah, cut into two pieces, and then we need to process again.
Yes.
So,
And here is our water swelling machine.
mhm. And you may wonder why. And this water swelling method and the stamping method, these are the two different methods to make the cup. The water swelling method, the cost for it is much cheaper since the ability of keeping the insulation ability is much lower than the stamping method because it will have a seam left on the surface of the bottle, which means the insulation ability, the temperature, the heat of the hot water will get dispersed as time goes by.
So at this part, we just shape the body of the cap, right?
Uh-huh.
So where are we sent to, like, if we want different like openings, and we want different we want different size of the bottles. Where we send?
Yes, we are sent to these machines, sent to our metalworking workshop, and that's the place where to make the openings, cutting, polishing, and many other steps.
And we saw a lot of SOP about the working method over here. We have SOP at every machines, every machines that will show, like, if the machine is ready to go, or it's we need to fix something. What's the problem about the machines?
Yes.
And, yeah, here comes our
Semi-finished
products, right?
warehouse. Yes, and these products will be sent to the second floor to do the to do the painting, testing, and polishing.
Yeah, as you can see here, we have so many cups. So that means our output, daily output, is very big, right?
Yeah. What's our daily output?
It's about 50,000 pieces to 60,000 pieces for our stainless part.
Yeah, that's quite a large quantity.
Yes, and this workshop is our metalworking workshop.
Yes.
So what's a metalworking workshop like include?
Yeah, that's to do the polishing, cutting, and the welding. And because we will cut the tube, there will be the edge of the opening and the bottom is not very even, so we need to do the polishing to remove the roughness of the opening and the bottom.
Yes. So these machines are for welding and to polish the edge of the bottle.
So what's the welding work for? Yeah.
Yeah. So we will weld the outside the bottle and the inner sides and the inner sides. And once we finish the welding, we will add the bottle of the tumbler. And also, as we said, there is a little seam on the bottle, so that it is easy to brush, right? So we recommend which is this. We recommend the stretching instead of water swallowing. And on our left hand, we have our
there's products that has mineral floors. We will find those products. We will pick them up directly and mark where is the mineral flaws on them.
Yes, we will circle the part. And you can see right here, there's a little hole on the caps. We will circle it and we will like pull out.
So this step is to make we have very strict quality control procedure to make sure every product sent in our client's hand is in good quality.
Yes, we will make sure the quality control through the whole production, right? So after we finish the metal working, we will send the cap to the vacuum machines. So for the vacuum, there's two different kind of vacuum technique.
Yeah,
The first one is
tubular vacuum, and the other one is non-tubular, non-tube.
Yes. So for this part, we will add the getter, which is like actually there is a like a metal getter. Yes.
What's the name of this one? Getter?
Yeah, the getter. Yes. We will add the getter at the bottom of the tumbler, and we will. So the getter will melt when we send
into the stove.
Yes.
As the getter melt, I guess they will absorb the air inside the vacuum layer.
Yes.
Inside the layer. So,
yes.
So this bottom can be insulated, thermal insulated.
Yes. And for the difference about the non-tube vacuum and the tubular vacuums. So the tubular vacuum has more vacuum degrees
Yes.
than the non-tube vacuums, right?
And
yes.
What's the cost for these two methods? They are the same, or which one is cheaper?
So the non-tube vacuum is cheaper than the tubular vacuum because tubular vacuum has more ability to keep heat preservation, and it has longer heat preservation, which is it can keep the warm more longer, and
yes.
It will has because it has higher vacuum degree.
Yes, and that's why the non-tube vacuum method is much more popular nowadays.
Yes, but I just want to mention that we can like customize. We can just do a whole workshop just for our audience. If just for our clients. If our clients have a very big demand of caps. I'm sorry.
Yes, so we are working in our automatic spring printing workshop, and we have 4 lines. One is done by machines automatically, and the other 3 is done by people. You can see a lot of cap attached on these pillars, and the lady is putting the cap on the machine and send it into and then the machine will do the spring printing automatically for you.
Yes, and we are not only have these 2 automatic painting machines. We still have our paint by our staff, which is not automatically.
Yeah, and generally before spring printing, we will use the cloth to remove the dirt on the surface of the camping, so that we can do a better spring printing, and there will be less mineral flaws on the surface.
So, let's show our audience another like semi-automatic painting machines. Okay. So when, as we know, we will weld the handle on the bottom of the cap.
Yes.
So there will little spot on the connection about the handle and the caps. So we will paint the handles first, which can cover the connection about the welding, and also And once we finish this part, we will send you like full painting. We
Yeah.
will paint the whole bodies of the caps.
So we do 2 paintings on this cap to make sure it will have a nice effect.
Yes.
Uh,
And for the printing skills, we can provide silk screen printing and heat transfer printing, and also over here we can do laser printing.
yes, this is the what's the method of these printing skills?
It's laser printing.
Yes.
Yes. And also we can laser the bottom of the caps instead, and like you can like customize a lot of things
Mm.
about the printing method, about the logo spot. Right. Okay, so here's the workflow about our caps. Once we finish the vacuum, the cap will send to our polish workshop.
So what?
And once we finish the polish workshop, it will send to our temperature testing
Yeah.
testing area.
The polish workshop is to improve the surface of the cap, because some clients want to make the surface more shining and other one want to have some sand effect on the surface of
And
the.
you can see here, we will do quality control at the like every single caps right here. You see, we do quality control through the whole production. That means our factory is really focused on the quality control. And for this part, we will do the temperature testing, because once we do polish, the vacuum degrees is different from before. So we have to make sure it has the ability to keep the warm, to do thermal insulation, right?
Yes, we will
Yes.
pull the hot air into the cap. If the surface of the cap become hotter, which means the cap has a bad insulation ability, and we will pick this kind of products out. Yeah.
And once we finish the temperature testing, we will send our caps to our painting workshop. And also, before the painting workshop, we will do the print for the logo.
Yes. And we have different logo printing skills available.
Yes, like silk screen printing,
Laser
printing, and heat transfer printing.
Mhm.
After we print the logo, we will send it to to our fake terminals, right? To make the logo stable on the caps.
Yes, we will do the testing for our logos, and we need to do the dishwashing testing. And you can see this is our warehouse for the stock products and the semi-finished products.
Yes, and also we will have our stock part, and also we will have our raw material part, because we will purchase a lot of more like actual raw materials.
Yes.
That can like stable our price.
Mm-hmm. And this is our packing workshop. Yeah, right.
Yes. So we were adding the top, the bottom, the labor, and the and at the very
Yes,
end,
we are
we will
doing.
add the we will put these caps into OPP bags, and we will like do actual board
For
on in the carton box that can protect the caps, like stop like crash impact
Yes.
from each
to
other.
reduce the friction between cups.
Also at this packing part, we will also do quality control. We will like pick out the bad one and keep the good one.
Yes,
Okay, once we finish the packing, it's ready for our clients, right? Some of our clients want to test. It's we are able to like do third party, and also our clients place their order, we will send our specialist to our factory, like to manage the whole production, and send the pictures and videos from time to time.
Yes, and and that's how we do the quality control.
Yes, and also we are cooperated with DHL, FedEx, and UPS for a very long time, so that we can get the most competitive price from them. And also we will set up our own logistics service department that can make our price more competitive.
Yeah, I think that's near the end of this today's live streaming. We go through our sample room first, and then check our production lines. And you can see we have a very our factory has very good quality. And if you just feel free to let us know if you want to see any other factories. Just send a message, leave a message, or send an email to info@sourcingunited.com. So
yeah, hope you like our live streaming, and make sure you see the previous live streaming by click our official website www.sourcingunited.com. And also you can tell us where we want to see, and we will take you to have a tour.
Yes, and tomorrow we will have another live streaming about umbrella factory. So please don't know this opportunity if you are interested in umbrella products.